So, per Green Gecko Workshop's instructions, I've modified the 2 cylinders. Not the switches, just the cylinders, or pistons, I mean. So, I've widened the air intakes and I've lubed them up with WD-40, and I've put them back into my engine. I've stacked some yellow bricks underneath of it so it can stand up, and I've got an air duster can. What I'm going to do is attach this hose to it, and there's an air tank connected to it, and we're going to see how fast this could go. That's pretty cool. Don't breathe in the fumes.